replacing the 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350, the carbon filter. It should be 3 carbon filters. 1 is on the inside the engine bay. 2 is inside the passenger side. So basically you gotta remove this cover and then this for the outside carbon air filter. And the inside one, you gotta take out the compartment on the passenger side. First, you take out the side panel here. This is the side panel. All right. Then you remove with T20 4 bolts on the top here on the compartment, and the 3 underneath. Then you close this compartment and just make sure this is a wire and the other wire don't drop all the way down. You might break it, okay? And that's why I use this box underneath. And there's a 2 T30. 1 screw here, 1 screw right here for the fuse on the side. So you can remove this, and this is the door right here. Okay, it slides to the left and open. You pull one out and you move another one out too. That's how you do it. Yeah, put it back is just reversing this procedure. That's it. All right, this is the carbon air filter. They have 3, 2 inside the compartment here and 1 is outside. All right, replace all 3 of them if you need it. Thank you for watching.